Hey YouTubers, I got an update to that initial iSpring spin down filter. This is part 2. Real quick, one thing I did forget to mention, this is 3/4 inch inside diameter and 1 inch outside diameter threads on this. So you can use it either way. However, one thing I would love to see is this going up to maybe a 2 inch or anything in between, like 1.5 inch or 2 inch, and something a little bit bigger, because, or even bigger than that. It would cost more, but I think it would be interesting for people that use it for rain catchment or anything else like that, or maybe like an industrial application or something like that. This is a pretty good unit. I like the way it's set up. I'd like it that it's actually metal instead of the plastic. So that's just my opinion on that. However, it does work really good. There is some little floaty particles in there. You can kind of see some junk around in here maybe. Sorry if it's not focusing too well, but there's a little bit. Let's see if I can. Yeah, there's something in there, but not tons. I wish I had more stuff to show you guys, but evidently the water's pretty clean except for all the junky chemicals and crap that they put in there. So other than that, it's a good filter. One thing I am going to do is, since this is 50 microns, I'm going to buy a different gradient setup for this. Because I believe this is a 4-stage multi-gradient where it starts out at 50 and goes to 20 and then 5 and 10, I think. So I'll probably use a finer gradient in here, a multi one, or just a single gradient, like a 1 micron absolute or something like that. But I do like the multi-gradients where you can step down. But other than that, this works pretty good. I do need to get either a little PVC basin with a drain that runs down to the sump pit, or a little piece of polypropylene pipe that will run down, something like that. But other than that, that's pretty much about it. If anybody has any comments or questions, do let me know. I'll go ahead and answer them, no problem. There's not much really more I could tell you guys about it. It works really good. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't work too hard. Bye.